Hi friends, in the last session we have covered that how to find the length of the string. Okay, so normally how to find the length of the string by using two ways. One is by using inbuilt function of length function, and second one is by using logical looping statement. Okay, so by using two ways we can find the length of the string. So now in this session we are going to cover how to remove spaces from the string. Okay, removing removing spaces from the string, removing spaces from the string, removing spaces from the string. Okay, so now observe the points. There are three methods. Okay, we can use three methods to remove spaces from the string. We can use three methods. Okay, three methods to we can use three methods to remove spaces from the string. Okay, we can use three methods to remove spaces from the string. So coming to the first method. Okay, coming to the first method means r strip. Okay, coming to the first one means r strip. R strip is going to remove spaces at the right hand side. To remove spaces, to remove spaces at the right hand side. To remove spaces at the right hand side. In the same way, in the same way, L strip. In the same way, L strip is to remove spaces at the left hand side. To remove spaces at the left hand side. So to remove spaces at the left hand side. Strip means it is going to remove spaces both the sides. Okay, it's going to remove spaces, to remove spaces spaces both sides. Okay, to remove spaces both the sides. Now we have to observe the examples one by one, everything. First what I am doing, first what I am doing, I am reading string. Okay, s is equal to input of input of input of enter string. Okay, I'm asking that input enter string. Next what I am doing, s1 is equal to s1 is equal to s dot strip. Okay, s dot strip. See, now in this case I'm going to give the spaces both the sides. Okay, to remove the spaces both the sides. Okay, so first what I am taking, s1 is equal to strip. Okay, so first what I'm doing means if s1 double equal to, okay, if s1 double equal to, what is that, Sai Kumar I'm taking. Okay, Sai Kumar I'm taking. So observe here I'm not giving any spaces. Okay, print hello Sai Kumar, hello Sai Kumar. First observe the normal case. Okay, I'm running the program. It is asking that Sai space Kumar I'm giving. Okay, Sai space Kumar I'm giving. We are not getting because we have given in the middle. Okay, it is going to remove the spaces right hand side and the left hand side, not in the middle. Okay, observe one more time. space I'm giving Sai Kumar and space. Starting I'm giving space here and here I'm giving space. Now I'm running. If you observe here, it removed the spaces both the sides. It is removed the spaces both the sides. So that's why the condition was matched and it is printing hello Sai Kumar. Right? Suppose I'm so this is one scenario. Okay, this is one scenario. Example. Example, this is one scenario. What is this? Next case, what I will consider. Next case, what I will consider is I'm taking R strip. Okay, R strip means to remove the spaces at the right hand side. Okay, to remove the space at the right hand side. Now observe here what I am doing means I'm giving the left hand side. Okay, I'm giving space left hand side and I'm giving Sai Kumar. Okay, I'm giving Sai Kumar. Now observe the output carefully. So we are not getting anything. Okay, we are not getting anything because I'm given at the left hand side. Okay, I'm given at the left hand side. Clear, right? So now observe the same thing in the second case. I'm running by giving space at the right hand side. I'm giving space at the right hand side. Now observe the output. So if when I'm giving right side, it is considering. Okay, when I'm giving space at the right hand side, it is considering and it is not giving any error. I mean, it is not giving any, it is giving information. Okay, so this is the way we can remove the string. Example 2. Here, example 1. Okay, now the last one is nothing but example 3, finding I mean removing spaces at the left hand side. Observe here now I'm giving space at where I'm giving space left. Okay, left hand side I'm giving now. I'm asking that enter the string. Okay, I'm asking enter the string. I'm giving string at the right hand side. First I'm giving right hand side. Observe here R after I'm giving space. R after I'm giving space. So we won't get any output. We are not getting anything, right? So L is going to remove the space at the left hand side. Okay, L is going to remove the space at the left hand side. Now let me give in the left side. I'm giving space Sai Kumar. I'm giving space Sai Kumar. Now it is going to consider removing the space at left hand side and the condition is getting match, right? So this is the way we can use the spaces, right? So this is we can remove the spaces by using L strip, strip and R strip. Okay, we can remove the spaces from the string by using three ways. One is a R strip, L strip and a strip. Okay, we observed three combinations, right? So in the next session we have to discuss about finding the substrings. Okay, we have to learn how to find the substring from the main string. Okay, we have to learn how to find the substring from the main string. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or post your query into my email ID which is given in the description. Thank you friends.